Hello everyone, welcome back to My Crafting World. This is Anna. Today is September the 3rd, 2023, and it is release day for me, so I am going to show you what is new in the shop for this month. And I only have 4 dies for you this month, guys, but I think they're so adorable. So the very first one, let me move these aside. So the very first one that I have for you is a shaker. It's a tombstone shaker, and you can either make it just a plain tombstone, or you can add some words that say, what? No Wi-Fi? And then some hands, and then some bones, and then of course you can make this into a shaker. So I did make an example for this one, and let me show you what that looks like. So here's my little shaker, guys. This is so cute. So it is a shaker, and my words, I chose to go ahead and glue them on the bottom piece. So it says, what? No Wi-Fi. And then the hand's trying to come out because hello, there's no Wi-Fi. How can we live without it? So I just thought this was so cute. And the little bones, I used the bones on the top here, and I just put a little flower there. And yeah, this is my little example for the shaker. Oh, that is so cute. I just love how that turned out. I really do. So that is the shaker. This is the let me see what, this is the tombstone shaker die. So cute, very adorable. And the next one is a border die. You get 4 different borders, and you get 3 spiderweb borders, and then you get a spider border. So this one is pretty wide. The measurements are in the description of the store, but it's 2 7/8 inch wide. But the neat thing about this one is that you can thread some ribbon through it. You can thread some cardstock, you know, so you can thread something through it, or just leave it as it is. Now these 2 borders here look the same, but they do 2 different things. This one actually cuts out a border, and this one will cut out a border, but you can put it, it's like for cards or something where you don't want the entire thing cut out. It's just that, a border. So let me show you what I mean. So for this one, I cut them out. So here is the first one, and that is the way the first one, the wider one, cuts out. And I just threaded some cardstock through the holes, and I put some sequins, I just glued some sequins down. So this is this one right here that you can thread something through. So I really like that, because and then I thought, well, what if I wanted to use it beyond Halloween? I could just cut off the spiderweb part and then still use this one, the middle part, as a border with something thread through it. And then here is the other one that, hang on, my spider got caught in its web. So here is the next one. This one's the one that will cut all the way out, and it has the spider web. And then this last one that I have right here, or second to the last, is the one with the little spiders. So this is a spider border as well. And then that last border at the end that I talked about is this one right here. So I just made a quick little card just to show you that it will not cut through your paper on the left end, so that you can cut that border out end of your card or your page or whatever it is that cutting the edge off of. So this one is an edge die, an edge border. And then, so like I said, I just made a quick little card. You know, guys, I just love this green, purple, and black with pink for Halloween. I just love that. And there's my moon. Speaking of which, tonight is the last night of the blue supermoon. Hope you guys are able to go out and check it out because that moon just looks so beautiful. Anyway, so here is the inside of my card. So it's just a simple little card that I made with the border die, just to show you that you can cut on the edge of your paper and it not cut all the way through. So that is the second one. And then the third one is this haunted house gift box. It's a haunted house gift box. I did forget to put gift box on the little label here. It says Halloween house, but it's a Halloween haunted house. Goodness, I'm having issues. Halloween haunted house gift box. So it comes with all your elements to complete a house. So let me show you my little house that I made for you guys. So here's my little house, guys. This is so cute. I love how it turned out. Now, I didn't embellish it a whole lot so that you could see all the elements that are in the die. So I believe I used everything. Let me look at this die. Yeah, I used everything. So you get the little shingles, and you can either, I actually was going to cut some of them out to see, so it would look like some were missing, but I just left it like that. And then here are the bones, but these are from the shaker die. And then your windows do come with the window frames. And then here's your little door that does open. All I did was put a little bread on there, and it does open up that way. And for the windows, I did use acetate, so if I put something in there, nothing's gonna come out. And here's the back, and here's the fence. Here's the back. This one's for my stash. I just put a little tree on there, and you can see it peeking from the front. You can barely see it. It's hard to see, but you can see the tree peeking in from the back. Now for this die, it is a box, so you can either leave the bottom open, which is what I did, or you can actually leave the top open, but if you're gonna put the shingles on there, it would be a little trickier to open and close. So I said, well, let me close the bottom part. And the reason that I didn't close the bottom part was because I thought it would be fun to display this in my craft room, and with the light in it. I know it's hard to see with this light on, so let me turn it off for you guys. And you can kind of see the way it looks with the light on. Isn't that cute? That's just one of the little candles from Dollar Tree, the ones with the battery. So yeah, that is. And then my little ghost here, I just put them up on a little piece of acetate and stuck them under one of the roof shingles. And there's my little haunted house, guys. Just so cute. Like I said, it is a gift box. You can put plenty of goodies in here. It's a good size. So it is 4 3/8 by 2.5. So that's a good size, guys. You can really actually put quite a bit in here. So let me show you my little candle. So the little candle is right there. And like I said, it does open from the bottom. And there's the candle, and here is, using it as a box. There you go. So cute. I just love it. Okay, and the last one that I have is a heart spiderweb mini album. So it comes with all the elements that you need to make a mini album. So it has your base piece. It does have a layering piece. It's got, a couple of spiders, a couple of hearts, and it's got your piece to make it into a mini album. So you can place this one wherever on the album that you want, however you want it to open. And then it's got a spider web in the back. So this is a mini album, but I didn't make a mini album, guys. I made a door hanger for mine. So here is my door hanger, guys. Oh, this was so much fun. So here is the front of my mini album. And here's the spider web. I did use the spider and I had hung it right here, but I moved it back and forth, and anyway, it kind of broke off. So I did the same thing here. I just put a little piece of acetate and put a spider, and it was coming towards the front. You'll see it in the shop picture though. So, and I just glued some cabochons here at the bottom, and I used some words, sweet treats. The sweet comes from the ice cream cone mini album, and then treats comes from one of my word die sets. So I just thought this was fun to put candy in it, and of course I put candies that I typically don't eat purposely, because I don't want to dig into this. Candy, I don't know if I've ever told you guys, candy makes me sleepy, so I try not to have any candy, at least not during the day. So I just made a door hanger with it, and here's my door hanger, and I tried it out, and it fits perfect on the door. That is no problem. At first I thought it was going to be too wide, but it isn't. And I did use the box bag maker, the border die, for making this one. So let me take this out and show you what the inside looks like. And you can't, it's all black, so you can't really see the little tabs that I glued down, so it's a little hard to see. But anyway, this was really that was for me a very fun idea, and I just love the way it turned out. I'm going to make some for my grandkids, so I'm going to hang this on their bedroom doors for Halloween, and I just think it's a great idea. I will put their favorite candies in here so that they do dig into it. All right, guys, that was the release for My Crafting World Designs September 2023. And there we go, guys. Easy peasy, nice and simple. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.